first thing I want you to do is go into the settings, and I want you to go into the pH setting. And when you get it, it's down middle of the road. Now, if you're detoxing from the water, don't do this quite yet. But I like to get the most out of my machine, and so as it goes up, it's going to put more energy into it. So I'm going to max it out. Okay. So the next thing I want you to do is understand why I want you to start drinking 8.5. So as it goes up in pH, it goes up in the antioxidants and the microclustering. So all of the properties work together to hydrate you more efficiently. So this is, at the end of the day, this is all about hydration. It's not necessarily about pH, although it's part of the equation. So the pH scale is logarithmic. So 8.5, 9.0, 9.5, those are the drinking water levels. 9.0 is 5 times stronger than 8.5. 9.5 is 10 times stronger than 8.5. So yes, because the pH scale is logarithmic, it's 10 times more alkaline, but it's also has 10 times more antioxidants and is 10 times more microclustered. And what that means is that it's going to drive oxygen and nutrients into your cells 10 times faster and drive waste out 10 times faster at 9.5 than it did at 8.5. So it's going to hydrate you faster and you're going to detox faster. We don't want that to happen. I don't want you to hate the water. I want you to love the water. So start at 8.5 and just listen to your body. Listen to how you feel. If you have a headache, or maybe you're having more fun in the bathroom than you wish you were, it's awesome. It just means your body's cleaning out the garbage, getting oxygen into your cells. This water actually passes through the blood-brain barrier within 30 seconds. So if it's affecting your brain, that's why. You want to work up to being that hydrated because your body's not used to it. Most of us are chronically dehydrated. The difference is that Kangen water absorbs at a rate of 85 to 95% when you drink it. Now compare that with tap water, bottled water, whatever water. I don't even care if it's
water.
I don't care if it's bottled alkaline water. You absorb 15 to 20%. So that's why when you drink bottled alcohol, when you drink any other water, it kind of sits in your stomach and you get kind of sloshy. That doesn't happen with Kangen water, and it happens less as the pH goes up. So that's your quick lesson for today. Congratulations on your new K8.